Okay, now in this call, we are going to create a Google Ads campaign for one of the Clickbank products. This is the landing page that we're going to use. This is how the landing page looks like. It is a quality page. Built by me. And let's go back to Google Ads. We set up the campaign. We almost set up the campaign last time, but due to the page not working, we decided to pause it. So here we have the campaign. We are targeting 5 countries. English budget, we are setting it $10. We're setting it to set a maximize clicks. Okay. And yeah, save and set up create ads. So let's go to the ads section. So in the final URL, we just have to put this link. So we need to put this link here. Section. So all the keywords that we're using them as exact, match type, but for
as you said, you're teaching other students. Did they make money already?
Yes, they've started getting sales with Clickbank. Like one of my students got 9 sales with Clickbank. One of the other same using CB Sniper.
Oh, really?
Yes.
How much they make?
One student made $110 using Bing ads, using one of the Clickbank products. He used a health product. Another student made about 9 sales, which would be more than $600, $700. But he's not in profit because he still has spent money. So he's $100 negative even after making more than $400 or $500. Another student spent $40 in ads and made $110. So everybody is in their journey, but yes, they're making sales. So what we need to do is earn money.
Now this landing page is working. Maybe no issue when it comes to Bing.
No, it won't be an issue.
Because before the issue is no landing page.
Yes, that was the issue last time.
And I already canceled my account in the old one in Bing. I create a new one already.
Okay. That's good. So you have a new Bing account?
Yeah.
Make money with okay. So save. Landing page found. So $10 daily estimate. English maximize clicks. Okay, I'm not able to see. Press the publish button. I'm not sure why. But you see the publish is gray.
Maybe you miss something. Just click the notification. What is the problem? There's a question. Is it fix it?
Okay, so I think we need to just select none for this. It's down there.
You can start the day today. That's October. Today is September.
What date is it at your end right now?
Today is 2.
2. So I'll select
September 2.
2 September. And end date, I'm going to select 7 days.
Make it 7 days.
So,
What country you're promoting? US only?
no, you top 5 countries: US, Canada,
Top 5.
Australia,
New
New
Zealand?
Zealand, and UK.
Okay. Tier country.
Okay, now I see publish. Publish. Okay, so the ad says eligible. If I click this, ad group is also eligible, and the keywords are eligible. Ads and extensions.
Did we add a credit card for this last time or no? Not yet.
So the ad says pending under review. So this would, once this says eligible, your ad will start serving. Yep. What did you say? Credits?
The credit card. That connected to this account.
I'm not sure. Did you add it? Did you add any payment method?
Mm,
Yes,
Not
it's
yet.
connected.
I want to remove that one and change. I want to change the one.
Why?
And that's my regular. I have a business account.
Well, can't you just pay $100 with this one at least? Because if I don't want to do any changes here right now, otherwise Google thinks like we are trying to play with their system. At least get your first campaign first.
Running, up and running.
Upon running,
Okay.
at least make the first payment, then we can do the changes later.
Okay. It's fine.
Yeah. Also, do you have any promotional code?
No.
Like you can always get a promotional code to
I don't have
a
that.
$100 code. Okay, anyways, so I'm going to stop recording here. Or I'll just pause. Okay, I'll just stop recording.